Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore the world of travel and nutrition. Specifically, we're going to discuss 5 foods you should avoid eating before your flight. First on the list is carbonated drinks. These can lead to bloating and gas, which is not something you want when you're crammed into a small seat for hours on end. Secondly, let's talk about spicy food. While it's great for your taste buds, it can lead to heartburn during your flight due to the lack of gravity. So best to avoid those hot peppers before takeoff. Thirdly, sugary snacks should be avoided. These can cause a sugar crash mid-flight, leaving you feeling sluggish and tired throughout your journey. Opt for healthier options instead. Fourthly, high-fiber foods should also be avoided. These can lead to stomach upsets while flying due to the reduced pressure in the cabin. Stick to lighter options instead. Lastly, avoid alcoholic drinks before your flight as they can dehydrate you, leading to headaches and sore throats during your flight. Stick with water or other non-alcoholic drinks instead. That wraps up our list of 5 foods to avoid before your flight. Remember, staying hydrated and eating healthy snacks before you board will ensure you have a comfortable journey. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. Until next time, safe travels